Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select all rows below Google Spreadsheet. Now I'll select this all of this row below from row number 10 and 25. First click on this row serial number and first one selected. Now go last one and press shift key or hold shift key from your keyboard. Now click on this last serial number and see this. All of this row already selected. Again see this. I select first 21 row number and press shift key from your keyboard and click last one and see this. Selected. And same way I select above this row, select on and select. I will select. Now press shift key from your keyboard and click and see this. Selected. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.